Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Africa Connect UG. So guys, today we are here to see a young girl who started rearing chicken during the lockdown. I think you all know during the lockdown, a lot of kids were not going to school, and we're here to see one who did something for herself during the lockdown. So, young girl, what's your name? Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Charity Aguti.
Yes.
I am in primary 4.
Yes.
And I'm 9 years. I learn in St. Salvatore Primary School.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. So, besides rearing chicken, you also go to school? Hmm?
Yes.
Wow, that is nice. And when did you say, I want to start rearing chicken? Like, when did you get the idea? That wonderful idea.
During COVID, children were not going to school, and the whole place was in lockdown.
Okay.
So I decided that why don't I start rearing chickens?
Wow, that is beautiful. Guys, at that time she was like, let me start rearing chicken. So, so are they anywhere near here?
Yes.
You can show us around?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So Charity Aguti will take us and show us some of her chickens, and she will show us how she feeds the chickens, or what they eat, and I think here we have some of them here. There is one here. Okay, so this is one of them.
Yes.
Hey, how many chicks does she have?
She used to have 11.
Yes.
But I think they got some diseases and now she remained with one.
With one, eh?
Yes.
Oh, that was bad. So she has only one.
Yes.
Very small chicken. Okay. And where are the rest?
Over there.
Over here?
Yes.
Wow. This is so beautiful. So this is how you feed them on a free range. Do you buy any food for them?
Yes.
Sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes. Do you have any names for your chicken? Or you?
Yeah.
Eh? Charity.
I know there's some names.
Like which one?
Like Blackie.
This black one. Black feathers, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Blackie. Madam Blackie. How about this gentleman?
That one I decided to call him because he's orange. So I decided to call him an orange chicken.
An orange chicken.
I mean, an orange chicken.
Hey, Mr. Orange. Mr. Orange. Okay. So it seems they like this spot, eh?
Yes.
They eat, this is where they find their food.
Yeah.
So what kind of food do they eat?
Well, they can eat like rice.
Yes.
And some fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where do they sleep?
Well, their house is inside here.
Would you mind taking us there?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we are going to check out the chicken house. Charity's chicken house. So I can see, please, just show us how many houses we have here for the chicken.
Here we have 4 houses.
4 houses.
Yes.
Okay, can you show us the first one?
This is the first one.
Okay.
It is for Blackie and her children.
And her chicks.
Yeah.
And then the other one?
This one is for Orange.
The big one, eh?
Yeah.
The cock. Okay.
And then this one is for the white chicken who we found who had only one chick. Yes.
Okay, that's beautiful.
And the last one is for another one who will find.
Oh. So let me ask you. So if I ask you, what have you achieved or what have you gotten from your chickens? And how did you even start? Like, how did you get the capital or this money to start the chicken? Did you start with one chicken or did you save any money? Did somebody give you money or?
I was banking some money.
Where? You have an account number? Eh? Charity,
No,
tell us. Okay.
in a box.
The
Yes.
bank box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I banked money, and it got until 30,000.
30,000
Yes.
Uganda shillings.
Yes.
Yes.
So, and I was there, I was thinking to buy something else, but then my grandmother told me
Yeah.
that I can buy for you a gift.
Okay.
Then, when I was there, she bought for me a chick.
A chick.
Yes. But it was a bit big.
Slightly older.
Yes.
Okay.
And that is the one that's there, Lucky.
Blackie.
Yes.
So as we end our interview, Charity, what advice do you have for children like you?
Yes. I have the advice that since some children at home don't have anything to do,
Yes.
they can start to do a new plan like me.
Okay.
To do very many things, not only rearing chickens.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
That is good. Especially during holidays.
Yeah.
Besides reading books,
Yes.
they can engage in so many activities to help their parents, right?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, this has been Charity Aguti with her small chicken business. We hope next time when we come back, we shall find her with more than 3 chickens. And I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. And see you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed.